Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Estetica Designs Sage in RH1488RT8. I have never had Sage. I've always wanted to try it. I purchased this in the clearance section at wigstudio1.com, so don't forget to check out that clearance section. They have some great buys over there. So let's get started and unbox Sage. Okay, it comes in this large box like this. Okay, it is in a hairnet. Package it. Okay, let's see. I've seen so many reviews on this, and I think it's such a pretty wig, and when I saw it on clearance, I just had to get it. All right, it has a lace front and a mono part. It is open wefted. It has closed ear tabs with stays, open wefting. It has an extended open nape there. And it also has the hook adjusters. Lots and lots of stretch here. Now, RH1488RT8 I've reviewed so many times. I love it. It's one of my very favorite Estetica colors. I think it's a wearable blonde. It's so pretty. It has these golden brown roots, as you can see, highlighted with all these beautiful different shades of blonde. I love that. There's some darker shades, there's some ashy shades. I just think this is very wearable. So many people love RH1488RT8, myself included. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, first of all, it's large. It's very large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This is big, but oh my gosh, how cute is this? This wavy style. Oh, I like it. Let's see. I'm going to just run my wide tooth comb through it just a little bit. Take out this zigzag part. Okay, this is going to be super easy to work with. I can tell already. It's not falling in my face at all. You know, I think the first thing I'm going to do is take a little sea salt spray, Estetica sea salt spray, and I'm just going to run it through there. Now you can do this with water. I usually use water, but I just had this handy right here, and I thought, oh, I'll just use some sea salt spray and show you that I can separate these waves out. Okay, now I see why everybody loves this style. It is really pretty. I like the length on this. The curl pattern on this is nice. Wow. Yes. I see what all the hype's about. I had wondered. I've seen it, like I said, so many times, so many people, and I just had to try it. Let's see what the coverage is like. All right, there's my bow hair. There and there. Let's see, the ear tab is right there, the top of my ear, and there's the ear tab. And I'll let you look. I want to give you a good look at the lace front. So pretty. The knots do not seem overdone in my opinion. It runs from temple to temple, the lace front right there. Now, there's permatease here, of course, around the back of this. I'm feeling permatease, yes, running through all throughout this wig. Of course, not in the mono feature, but there is permatease on the side. Certainly permatease in the back, and that's giving you the shape. That's what it's there for. It's giving you the shape all the way around. I love that. This is a very pretty. I like this length. I don't think it's too long. I don't think it's too short. This is a nice wig. Let's just review the specs on Sage for just a minute. The bang is this long 9-inch bang. So it has this long sweeping bang. That's really pretty. You can pull it up and off your face. You could leave it just sweeping down to the side if you'd like. The sides are 6.25. Crown on this one, crown down 10.75. And then the 4-inch nape on this one. Oh wow, beautiful specs. I really like this sweeping bang. Now this will work with a headband, of course. I'm going to pull mine all the way off. And I think this makes it fun for the summer, really casual. Pull some out around your face, softens it up as well as covers your bio hair if you have any showing. You can just pull a little bit of hair out. Now on the back, I would fluff this out probably and just make this really feminine and fun, and certainly can wear it like that. Let's see. Now, if you want to wear it off your face with a barrette, you can do that. This would be, you could easily take this into evening with like a sparkly clip or comb. Would be pretty, I think, on this. I'm going to pull mine off my face just in the front, just a little. So popular right now. I'm just going to take this very front part, and I just have a little barrette, and that's what I'm going to use today. And that will also give you a look at this lace front. Yeah, lots of ways to wear this one. It has enough length that it's going to give you those styling options. These waves are beautiful. Wow, I am so impressed with this style. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to show you this indeed does work with glasses. I slip my glasses on over my ear tabs. I know some people go under, but it's just easier for me that way. I wear my glasses on top of my head a lot, so I tend just to slip them on over the ear tabs, but it's definitely glasses friendly. I want to show you another headband that if you don't want to pull it completely off your face, you could just slip a headband on with it that way, and then you still have the sweeping bang. I hope you enjoyed this short video of Estetica Designs Sage. I hope you'll try this one. If you want a wavy bob, really feminine, beautiful, look at Sage. Please follow me here, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.